Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. For safety reasons, you're going to remove the power cord. And you're going to want to turn off the gas line. This project, I'll be installing a dryer belt on a Maytag Atlantis gas dryer. Tools needed is a 5/16 socket or a nut driver and a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, first thing we want to do is remove the door. And that's 2 Phillips screws to remove. That's 1 and 2. Now remove the door and remove 2 Phillips screws on the other side. 1 and 2. Now kind of twist the top of that panel off and remove it. Now we're going to remove these bracket, upside down L shape with a 5/16 nut driver or socket. And just slide off and remove it. And the right side, you're going to do the same thing. Now we're going to remove 5/16 screws from the bulkhead. There's 4 that need to be removed. Two stays on, and 4 needs to be removed. Left side, 2nd and 4th screws should be removed. Right side, 3rd and 4th should be removed. These are 5/16 screws. And the reason why you're leaving the other 2 in, it keeps the bulkhead together instead of taking it apart. Big problem when you try to deal with it when it's not together. Slide it on out. Now we're going to disengage the belt from the idler pulley. That's the outside view. This is the inside view. Push the pulley over far to the left and slide it off, and want to pull the drum out. And your drum is removed. Okay, here's your markings of the belt. That's where you know to put the belt at. Wrap the belt around the drum. Pick up the drum and the belt. Slide it into place all the way to the back. There's another view of what I just did. Now you're gonna put the belt right next to the idler pulley, that motor pulley right there, wraps it underneath it. And then you're gonna push the idler pulley to the left, and the bar part of the belt slides onto the idler pulley, just like that. And right there, that goes underneath the drum. Underneath right there. It goes underneath the drum. when replacing the bulkhead. The bulkhead goes underneath the drum at the bottom. So just kind of show you a general area where when you put the bulkhead back on, where it needs to be put on at. Hook the bulkhead in, put it in place. Make sure the bottom goes in first, and then you can put the 5/16 screws back in. Usually I use electric screwdriver with this, which is a faster. But if you don't have that, you can use your handheld nut driver. Now the little clamps, the lid clamps, slide them into the slot up top and then adjust them at the bottom. Have them pointed outwards. This secures the lid to the body of the dryer. Same thing with the other side. See how it's pointed outwards? You slide it into the slot at top and then slide it in the slot at the bottom. And put your 5/16 screws and tighten down. Okay, the front panel, slide it, the slots at the bottom, and turn the panel into the slots. And there you go. Install both screws on the left side. Now the hinge, just slide the hinges into the slots. Screw the top screw in, as well as the bottom. We'll have many more videos on how to repair appliances. Remember to like, share, and comment on YouTube, as well as Facebook. Follow and comment. That's Appliance Flipper. Appliance Flipper, Facebook, and Appliance Flipper to YouTube. Have a good one.